classes. So you all have enjoyed your 3 days holidays, isn't it? Friday was 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti holiday. Then it was a Saturday and Sunday. So 3 days holidays. And you are feeling refreshed, isn't it? I can say yes, I can think on it, yes, you all might be feeling refreshed. So now it's time to begin with our today's classes with full enthusiasm, isn't it? Great. So let's begin with our today's class. So today is 5th October 2020. So this is the date. As you all know, October month has begun and this 10th refers October. Repeatedly I am saying October is 10th month of the year. So we write 10 here. And the date is 5th. Clear? So what is the day today? As yesterday was Sunday, so what is today? Today is Monday. Yes, the first day of our classes of this week, isn't it? Great. So on Monday we have our maths period. The first period is maths period. So in maths we were doing countings. You remember that? In the previous class, ma'am has taught you counting from 21 to 30. So you all have understood 21 to 30 now. So today we are going to do a revision of counting 1 to 30. Clear? See class, from 1 to 20 we have already done, isn't it? So now it's time to write our counting in a sequence way from 1 to 30. Yes. Clear? So let's begin with the work then. Great. So first you will watch how ma'am is writing. After that, see how we are going to do work in notebook. Then you are going to complete it. Okay class? So let's begin with the work then. So when we have to start from 1. Class, please listen carefully. Don't see here and there what mama is doing, papa is doing. Just see the video carefully. So when you have to begin with 1 we are going to start under O or under T. So this is T. T for tens. Say with me T. T is here stands for tens. And O is for ones. O is for ones and T is for tens. Clear? So जब हम 1 लिख रहे हैं, we have single digit number. I told you in the previous classes also, 1 से लेके और 9 तक, see till 9 we have single digits. एक digit लिखना होता है. So that single digit number to be written under tens or ones? Under ones. Yes. So whenever we are going to begin with our counting, हमेशा 1 से जब हम begin करते हैं, we have to write our counting under O. We have to begin from the box which is under O. O के नीचे. Under मतलब नीचे होता है ना? So O के नीचे से हम अपने counting को begin करें. Clear? Let's begin it then. Okay. So 1. Then 2. 3. Next we have is 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And after 9 comes 10. So as I told you, from 1 to 9 we have single digit. मतलब एक ही digit होती है and we will write those digits under O. ठीक है? अब after 9 we have 10. So what is 10? One group of 10 objects. Isn't it? I told you earlier, one group of 10 objects. अब जब 10 objects हैं and T stands for tens. T stands for tens. So we'll write 1 under T. Clear? So 1 हम T के नीचे लिखेंगे like this and then we'll write 0 here. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Now when we have two digits from 10, that is 1 and 0. So one group of 10 objects. So that is why we write T here to tell it is tens. Clear? And the two digits to be written in two different boxes. आप 1 को और 0 को अलग-अलग boxes में लिखेंगे because it says one group of 10 objects plus nothing. सिर्फ one group है, उसके अलावा additional कुछ नहीं है. Clear? Okay. Moving ahead. Now we are going to write 11. So one group of 10 objects we already have plus we have one object. अब समझ में आया why we write it in two different boxes? Each digit to be written in a different box. Clear? Next we have is 12. Then we have 13. Next is 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. And after 19, now we write two groups of 10 objects. That means 20. Clear? So again we'll write 2 here, and because we have only two groups, उसके अलावा additional नहीं है, that means we are going to write 0 at one's place. So that is 20. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या था? When we were talking about 19, there was one group of 10 objects. One group था ना 10 objects का, plus we were having 9 more objects. Whenever we are making groups, again I am telling you, जब भी हम counting में groups बनाते हैं, we always make for 10. Now see, God has also given 10 fingers. That means one group. We have 10 toes. That means one group. ठीक है? So altogether 10 things are making one group. Understood that? Great. So now we have done till 20. Now moving ahead, it's time to write here 21. That means two groups of 10 objects plus one more object. Clear? So like this we'll write 21. Then we have 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So what here 30 says? 30 says 3 full groups of 10 objects. क्योंकि tens में we have 3 here. That means 30 objects we have now. 3 groups we have. Is that clear to all of you? What is the meaning of tens? T says tens, and O says ones. That means जो भी number we have written under T, उतने group हैं. That if we have written 1 here, one group of 10 objects plus 2 more objects is 12. Clear all? Please make this very clear to you कि tens के नीचे जो हम number लिखते हैं, that means that many number of groups with 10 object each plus उसके सामने वाला जो digit है, that is additional we have. Understood? Okay. Now moving towards the work. So do this work in notebook. Do this work in notebook. So now all of you open your notebook and see how we are going to do counting in our notebook. Clear? So open your notebooks everyone. Keep your pencils ready. Sharpen them up. And keep an eraser also, so anytime we make a mistake we can erase it and see how we are going to do the work. Okay? So class, now open your maths notebook and see how we are going to do our today's work. Clear? So the first thing we have to do is write today's date. So today is 5th October 2020 and this is your classwork. So write CW here. After that we are going to write our topic, that is counting. Counting from 1 to 30. Clear? So let's start. First write tens and ones and put a cross mark here. Let's begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As I told you, 1 to be written under T. See, under T we have written 1 and under O we have written 0. Clear? So now next number we are going to write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See again class, we have written from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now we have to write, after that again we'll write tens and ones once again and we'll begin with 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and last is 30. Isn't it? This is how we are going to write our counting today. So class, see how neatly the work I have done. Similarly, you are going to do your work neatly. ठीक है? Clean handwriting से work करना है. Write slowly but write neatly. Okay? So this is your today's class work. Now what is your today's homework? Homework is same as class work. So your homework is same as classwork. That is, you are going to write this counting from 1 to 30 once again on the next page as your today's homework. Clear? So write your date, your topic and HW here, and after that you will write your counting from 1 to 30 on this side as your today's homework. Is that clear? Is your counting work for today's classwork and homework both clear to you? Okay. So class, I hope that you have understood your today's maths work, how you are going to write your counting in notebook once as classwork as well as another time as your your today's homework. So practice writing countings when you all will be thorough. जब आपको countings लिखने से thorough हो जाएंगे, you will be able to write them without seeing. At that time, you will be able to do missing numbers, after, what comes before, what comes after. Then there is a concept what comes in between. Clear? And you will be able to compare the numbers also. So this is the next thing we are going to learn, how to compare two given numbers. Clear? So for that you have to learn your counting properly, and let's have a quick revision of oral counting once again from 1 to 50. Clear? So shall we start? Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And after that, after 30 comes 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and last is 50. Great. So like this, revise your countings orally as well as written also. Clear? So that's all for today's maths class. Now please get ready for your next EVS class. Bye. Take care.